Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how time can move differently, depending on how fast you're moving or how close you are to a massive object like a planet? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an amazing concept from Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation. So let's get started. Time dilation is the idea that time isn't the same for everyone. Imagine you're on a spaceship zooming through space at a speed close to the speed of light. While you're traveling, time for you passes just like normal. But for someone on Earth, they'll see your clock ticking slower. That's time dilation in action. Einstein's special theory of relativity tells us that the faster you move, the slower time flows for you relative to someone who's standing still. This happens because light, which carries information, travels at the same speed for everyone, no matter how fast you're moving. Pretty cool, right? Let's make it a bit easier to understand with an example. Say you and a friend both have identical clocks. You're moving really fast, and your friend is standing still. To your friend, your clock looks like it's ticking slower. But when you look at their clock, everything seems normal. You both think your own clock is running perfectly, but to the other person, it's a different story. So why does this happen? It's all because of the speed of light. No matter how fast you're moving, light always travels at the same speed. So time must slow down for you to compensate. The faster you go, the greater the effect becomes. This means if you travel close to the speed of light, hours for you could feel like mere seconds, while years might pass for those left behind on Earth. Time dilation isn't just theory, it's been proven with astronauts. In 1971, two scientists flew around the Earth in an airplane at high speeds. When they returned, their clocks had ticked slower compared to the clocks on the ground. That's right, the faster they went, the less time passed for them. Isn't science awesome? Time dilation might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's very real. So next time you look at a clock, just remember, time isn't the same for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting science videos. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.